Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Mary Nobilines Villarosa from San Jose City, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am 34 years old and a married woman. I have two children, ages 15 years old and 13 years old. My height is 159 centimeters while my weight is 66 kilogram. I am a secondary graduate. I worked before a domestic helper from Saudi Arabia for almost 4 years and 6 months. Then after that, I worked again in United Arab Emirates for almost 2 years contract. I know how to clean your house. I can work good. I can cook. I can wash your clothes. Then I know how to take care of your children, and I want to teach them to be a good person. My purpose to apply is because I want to give my children needs, all their needs, and I want to give their allowance for food every day, and I want to earn money for their future. Before I end this video, I want to share a song. The title is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and You Are My Sunshine. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine, who makes me happy like skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I hope you like my song. And to my future employer, please hire me as your helper, because I am a trustworthy, hardworking woman, and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. I hope I will working there in Hong Kong very soon. Have a good day. God bless.